In this class, we are going to see about actual graphical representation of SHM. So, in the previous class, we discussed about velocities, velocity positive or negative in different cases. So, we have a formula for. So, first of all, to know initial phase, draw a circle with radius r is equal to amplitude of the SHM. So you just see, we have shown like this is a circle. In this circle, the radius is okay. In this y direction, it represents. So maximum value of this is a plus a, and it is minus a, right? So this horizontal line, horizontal axis, x-axis represents mean position. X-axis represents mean position, and the y-axis represents amplitude. Y-axis represents the amplitude. So this side plus a and other side is minus a, right? Let's go to the So the drawing, the steps involved, we should move along the anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction from mean position. Okay. So to understand this, okay, so listen carefully. We are going to discuss 8 cases. So this circle, it is moving with the angular velocity omega is equal to, so it is moving in anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise direction is this omega is equal to 2 pi by t. So angular velocity omega is equal to 2 pi by t. So this is the angular velocity, it is rotating. So it is like a circular motion of a body with a constant angular velocity. The angular velocity is not variable, it is constant angular velocity. Okay. Now so first situation for me, a body started at mean position, x is equal to 0. Its amplitude is a, find initial phase phi naught and write the expression where it is going. It is going to positive extreme. So first of all, we should draw a circle. In that circle, y-axis, x-axis represents what? Mean position. So where it is mean position? So mean position means it is on the x-axis, but we don't know. There are 2 points on x-axis, first position and second position. Okay, first position and second position. So this is going to, this is plus a and another side is minus a, and here it is said it is going to positive extreme. So 2 positions, position 1 and position 2, it should go anti-clockwise direction. If it is going anti-clockwise direction, and it is also going anti-clockwise direction. From second position, if it continues to move, where it reaches negative, but what we are asking to positive extreme. So first position 1, if it is going in the anti-clockwise direction, where it reaches clockwise, so positive extreme. So we can write this as x is equal to, or I am writing, no, you will be confused, I am writing instead of x I am writing y. Don't ask me why, sir. It's like position only. Y is equal to a sine omega t plus phi naught. So phi naught is a phase at, phi naught is an angle at t is equal to 0. Phi naught is an angle made by made in the circle at time t is equal to 0. In this case, where it is now, according to this situation, it is in the horizontal line only. So there is no angle as such. So phi naught is equal to 0. We can write it as a sine omega t. So you will not understand immediately. Next question we will see. So second case, body at x is equal to or y is equal to, it's no more x now, at y is equal to a by 2 and its amplitude is a, going to positive extreme, so find phi naught is equal to how much for this. So first step, we should draw a circle in that amplitude. So amplitude is what he is saying, plus a by 2. So when you are writing, the y axis represents, so it has, so cut the circle 2 parts, draw a line, it cuts 2 points. These 2 points are a by 2 and here also a by 2, 1 and 2. So which point it is going? Let's see from the point 2. Point 2, if it is going down, where it is coming? It coming to mean position. Is it coming to mean position? No, it's going to positive extreme. So if it is going like this, it is going to positive extreme. So this first case is correct. Now to get the angle, take at t is equal to 0. Now very important point we are going to do. Draw a straight line to a by 2. Okay, so from here to here, how much is the height? Height is a by 2. There is a height a by 2. So circle of radius how much? A. So sin omega t, y is equal to, what is the formula? A sin omega t plus phi naught. At t is equal to 0, what is this value becomes? T is equal to, so phi becomes phi naught. So similarly, at t is equal to 0, what is the value of amplitude? Y is equal to a by 2. So here it is showing some angle. So sin, this is phi naught, initial phase. So tan phi, sin phi naught is equal to, what is the value? A naught by 2 by, sorry, a by 2 by a. So sin phi is equal to a by 2. In which quadrant it is? First quadrant. What will be the value of phi? So depending on the quadrant, which quadrant it is. So it is in a first quadrant, so phi naught will be, so what will be the value of 1 by 2? So it will be equal to, so 30 degrees. So we can write as y is equal to a sin omega t plus 30 degrees, we can write as pi by 6. So this is the expression representation of this case. Let's see another question. So it is y, it is at the extreme, positive extreme, it is at the positive extreme, and what is the initial phase? Phi naught is equal to how much? Quickly we will do now, from now on. So I am drawing circle, in that circle y and x. So where it is now? It is the extreme, positive extreme plus a. So initially at t is equal to 0, so this is the position. To get at t is equal to 0, this is the angle phi naught. So y is equal to a sin omega t plus phi naught, right? T is equal to 0, substitute kar lo. So y is equal to a, so sin phi is equal to phi naught is equal to pi by 2. So y is equal to a sin omega t plus pi by 2, or we can write it as a cos omega t. So we can write these two. Next, at y is equal to a by 2, but it is coming to mean position. Write the equation of a simple harmonic motion. Draw circle, and there, where is a by 2? Two positions are there. One is, so first position and second position. Where it is coming? Second position it is coming. So first we should draw straight line. See, each question is different from previous one. So angle from where we should measure? We should measure from the mean position, from positive x-axis to, so we should measure from positive x-axis, to here. How much is the angle it is made? That much angle. So 90 plus, here it is a distance. Height is how much? Height is a by 2, and here is a. So here it will be 30 degrees. 180 minus 30, so 150 degrees is the value for other side. So we can write it as y is equal to a sin omega t plus 150 degrees. So this is the equation of this. At t is equal to 0, this should be starting from here. Okay, so this starting from this position at t is equal to 0. So let's see at so it is at the mean position going to negative extremes. Write the equation. So first draw the curve, and from there two positions. Mean position is positive x-axis is a representation of mean position. So this x-axis, two positions are 1 and 2, and where it will be two position is it's going anti-clockwise, it is positive extreme, and from 1 it is going to negative extreme. So which according to us question mean position and going to a negative extreme, so 0.1. So how to get the mean value from here to here? Phi naught at t is equal to 0. Mean position at t is equal to 0. So at y by 2 at t is equal to 0 initially. So at t is equal to 0 a. So that's why these values has come like this. Now similarly phi naught is equal to pi or 180. So y is equal to a sine omega t plus phi. Pi is the equation of this curve. Next, similarly at y is equal to minus a by 2 going to at t is equal to 0 minus a by 2 going to negative extremes, and the graph y x. So a by 2 means there are two, minus a by 2 means so two positions are there, 1 and 2. Two positions are there. From these two positions, which one is minus a plus a? So from 2 it is going anti-clockwise direction, should reach mean position, but it is not said like that, it should reach negative. So from 1 it is going. So draw a line, straight line to 1. Okay, so from here to here how much is the angle? So from here to here it is a, and in this direction a by 2. So the angle will be 30, 180 plus 30. So 180 plus 30. So y is equal to a sine omega t plus 210. 180 plus 30, 210. So next, if we consider next case, y is at minus a by 2 at t is equal to 0, and it's coming to mean position. My handwriting is not so good because I am going in a hurry. So if you draw a circle, it has come like an egg. Okay, circle, and if we write two positions, again those two positions are 1 and 2. Which one is now 2? And what is the angle? So from here 180, so a and a by 2. So 360 minus 30, y is equal to a sine omega t plus 330. We can write even in a minus terms also, but we can write that. I will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.